I think next year we'll be having to address the challenges that the Wellbeing of Future Generations Act will give us to extend our audit approach to include governance arrangements. And the annual plan refers to the work that we'll be doing by way of preparation.
The Wales Audit Office is starting to invest in preparing itself to be fit for the future. Some exciting work about the transformation of audit will ensure that we use the best of digital, technology and modern approaches to transform the audit product, which will have benefits for our audited bodies and could make things slicker and even more effective.
I think we want to continue to really emphasise the fact that we are in an age of austerity, the audit approach we're taking, the preparation that local government bodies will increasingly have to do to faster close their accounts, and also looking at the issues of fiscal devolution and the challenges that that poses to the Welsh Government.
We're also aware that there are many potential external factors affecting the Wales Audit Office, and that's why we will continue to ensure that we workforce plan to ensure we've got the right shape and skills for the organisation for the long term. Internally, we're going to be doing some really innovative work based on the results of a trust survey to ensure that all staff feel valued and that their work is appreciated and they can bring the best of themselves to work. All in all, an exciting year, but one that I have every confidence will continue to build on the reputation of the Wales Audit Office.